Alright, everybody go potty. Go on, go potty. Go on, go potty. Go on, go potty. Manor, go potty. Go on. Stru, go potty. Go on, Manor. Go on, go potty. And Simba just cries. Yeah, I know, Simba, you just cry. And Manor, you don't want to do anything. And Strudel, you're not wanting to do anything either. Go on, Stru, go potty. Go on, Stru, go potty. And the dogs won't do anything in the rain. They just look at me and say, take me in the house. Look at poor Manor. Well, the run is flooded. Time to get this paved. It is nasty. Can you hear the whiner? Okay. Let's all go in the house. Who wants to go in the house? Huh? Anybody want to go in the house? Should we go inside? Huh? Manor, you want to go in the house? Yeah? Want to go in the house? Stru, you want to go inside? Simba, you want to go in the house? Okay.